Yeah, yeah, I understand completely. It's fine, I think.
Yeah.
Like you don't use it in the run.
0.
That's
13,800.
13800. That's a classic bow.
Yeah. I mean,
Actually, that's kind of high.
chemical chug are sometimes like 80, but yeah. Three.
Okay.
Oh, I have two on the left of the ship.
Okay, I'm trying to find a third one. How's the valley?
131.
Oh, nice,
That's
nice,
Quota
nice,
1.
nice. Nice, nice.
Okay, tell me when I start.
I'm gonna go back to the ship in a moment. Where's the other one? Okay, I see one at the back. I can take that, I guess.
Okay, tell me when I start. On the left of the ship.
Oh, there's another one here. I guess, maybe. You can start.
Okay. I started.
Yep.
Okay, GG. Nice, we go.
Nice.
Oh, by the way, my split didn't start.
I have it. It's fine.
Okay. Alright. Quota 1, easy. By the way, it's my PB for Quota 1 2.
Oh,
Behind.
yeah, you're right. It's mine for as well.
Wait, that's a...
Go company, company, company.
Wait, what?
Company, company.
Bro,
Right?
I missed. Anyway. You drop me the beehive on the half of the way, okay?
Okay, okay.
And you unstoppable, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it gonna be sub 2?
Probably. I'm gonna pull it right away.
Wait, it's okay. It was pretty far, but anyway. You can pull. Alright,
Yeah, frame perfect pull. It's fine.
nice. Could go, could have won.
Not sub 2, but still like a minute PB at least for me.
Wait, can you please do the paycheck? Okay, thank you.
205.
Nice, GG. Astronauts now.
Yep.